finish your sign-up process, you will be directed to Accelr8's Buyer Dashboard. This dashboard will be your home for data, news, and information about your trading activities. Working clockwise around the Buyer Dashboard, you'll see buttons for Initiate Order and Modify My Orders. These two tabs will be key in making sure you meet your IPv4 needs. The Market Activity section provides pricing information and trends from within the Accelr8 platform. In the Knowledge Center, you'll find documentation on how the platform works, helping answer any questions you may have on placing orders, the matching process, and closing transactions. News and Blogs contains the latest articles and analysis on the IPv4 market. Finally, the most important part of your dashboard is the Notices section, which informs you of any actions relating to an order or transaction, such as letting you know you received an offer or that you have a match. Now let's place an order. Upon clicking the Initiate Order button, you'll have the option of choosing a single block size for your order, or you can select multiple block sizes within the same order by selecting a maximum and minimum block size. In this case, we'll just place an order for a single /16. Once you have made your selection, you will then input the price you're willing to pay per block size. Pressing the Add button makes this an active order available for matching. By clicking on the Buy Orders tab on your dashboard, you'll see the list of all orders you've placed and their different statuses. Those orders still waiting for matches, those for which there are currently matches, and those orders that have a transaction in progress, which means a buyer and seller have agreed to a price and are moving forward with the contracting phase and transferring the numbers via the appropriate internet registry. Each tab also shows the number of orders currently active per status. Clicking on a tab will take you to the list of orders within that tab. For example, in Waiting for Matches, we see the order that was most recently placed. Heading back to the home screen, we can see that we have a new match. Clicking the Match link will take us to a detail page regarding the order, where you can browse the history of your matches and see key information about the sell order that was matched to your buy order, such as the name of the seller, the applicable internet registry, and the country of origin. By clicking See Block Usage Information, we can see even more details about the block, including errand registration information, blacklist search results, current routing information, and routing history. If the matched block is acceptable, you can go ahead and make the offer. Ensuring the security of all transactions is integral to the Accelr8 platform. That's why before taking any critical actions, such as placing an offer or counteroffer, or accepting an offer, Accelr8 requires that the user first re-authenticate their authority to do so. We'll now walk through the rest of the transaction from the perspective of the seller. However, the transaction process is the same for both buyers and sellers. On your dashboard, you'll see you have an offer. Clicking on the offer link will take you to the Match Detail page where you can review and accept the offer. Once the offer is accepted, a notice will appear on the dashboard that the transaction is confirmed, meaning there has been an offer and acceptance and orders are ready to move to the contract phase. Clicking on the Orders tab will bring up the current transactions. The Details button connected to those transactions will bring up information regarding the status of each transaction. We can see additional details on the transaction by clicking the Transactions tab in the main navigation. The user can clearly see the status of its transaction every step of the way, from contract execution to funding escrow to transfer approval to closing.